Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get unbanned from Omegle. So if you're seeing a message that you've been banned from using Omegle, then just follow along. First, it's important to know that Omegle has officially shut down, so the original Omegle website is no longer operating. And if you're referring to the original Omegle, there isn't a way to get unbanned because the service is no longer available. And however, if you're using an Omegle alternative with similar name or features, then the process depends on that platform. You need to start by checking whether the ban is temporary, because some platforms automatically remove temporary bans after a waiting period. Next, review the platform's community guidelines to understand why the ban may have happened. And if the service has a support or appeal option, submit a polite request explaining your situation and ask whether your account can be reviewed. Then you need to avoid creating multiple accounts to bypass a ban, as this may lead to longer or permanent restrictions. And if your account is restored, follow the platform's rules to avoid future bans. So that was how to deal with an Omegle ban. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.